What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Well, today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. We're about to look at about to check on the market, see how the market has been reacting. We're about to check on our positions to see whether they are going up or down. I'll show you mine. You can compare. Okay, we can compare with yours to see how you are doing. You are doing good, bad, ugly, sideways, or something like that. And we will also look at price in the little details. Okay, in the little details, because almost like I told you guys yesterday, is what is happening. Market is just going sideways. There is nothing to be afraid of. Market is just doing its thing. It's a bull run. On the bull run, things like this happen. Excuse me. In the bull run, the price just does not go up like a straight rockets, like most of these YouTubers tell you, to the moon. No. Price goes high. There are people that consider, okay, I think we've made enough money here. They take profits. If there's a lot of them, price drops. Okay, that's what happened. So that is what we're about to look into today. Before that, imagine this. Excuse me. Everybody, okay, everybody right now, not mostly everybody, not those of you in my millionaire journey, everybody's running for the hill. Oh, Bitcoin is dumping. Oh, Bitcoin is doing this. They're running. And do you see me panic? I'm not panicking. I'm sipping on my coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Because guess what? It's not because everybody's screaming wolf that you have to run. Sometimes you need to put a break, like stop. Oh, hold on a second. Why am I running again? That's the kind of things you need to do. Everybody's screaming, oh, the market is going down, the market is dumping, the market is doing this. But how many of you did stop and look at the indicators? Look at the indicators on the coins that we are trading, which are Quant, Casper, Jasmine, or in the better order, King Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. Did anybody stop to look at the indicators? MACD, RSI, 200 moving average. Did anybody stop to look at that? Liquidation map. That's why I always tell you guys, sometimes these people create this FOMO, and when they create it, it's like a little stone. It start rolling, and then it begins to attract a lot of other people, and before you know it, price action starts taking place. But the funny thing about it, look at how price recovers. They just buy it right back up, which means they are making you to sell at the loss for them to buy back. That's how simple that is. There's no two ways about it. That's what they're doing. And it takes only a few people to really realize that, hold on a minute, something is not right. Only a few people like me and you, who really take the time to look at the market trends. To tell you, like, for example, we're gonna start with Casper. Everybody running, thinking Casper is going back down to what, 9 cents? That's what everybody thinks. But look at Casper development. Did you go to Casperlex last week? Do you think that with everything coming with Casper, we already know, I already told you guys countless times, look at what having a stable coin did to all this change. Look at what a stable coin, smart contracts, did to Ethereum. Ethereum went from 45 cents to $4,000. See that? Look at what smart contracts did to Cardano, from cents to almost $4. Look at what smart contracts did to the shitcoin called Solana, from zero to almost $300. And you think Casper that is a superior chain, is way, excuse me, is way better built, faster, and more advanced than all these shit coins. Do you think? Oh my God, you guys you're not even ready for the surprise that is in store for you. You're not even ready for it. And we're talking about is a couple of days, something a week, or sometime a week and a half away. Casplex will release their smart contract. And you think people want to sell right now. The little dip you saw is because Bitcoin did its thing. And I showed you guys, every chart on Casper screams bullish. We are in a falling wedge. That's what's happening. Another example, look at what just happened to Tron. What do you think will happen to Casper when these stable coins, and they've already announced it, we are going to have USDC, USDT, and whatsoever on for stable coins on Casper. They already announced it. And people, they are panicking. That's why I say, I know I chose winners. And when people are panicking, I just sit by. Sip my coffee from my Casper mug. Just get ready. Just getting ready to make that money. That's what we're doing. Okay, look at Quant. Guys, look at Quant. Countries signing up, lining up to use the M-Bridge technology. They had additional 60 countries, 60 signing up. It hasn't even started yet, guys. It hasn't. I told you guys, the next 3 months, which is actually 2 months from now, you will see. You see that everything dumped, like another funny thing about Quant. Everything was dumping. Bitcoin went from what to almost 54, 53,000, something like that. Look at how much Quant dumped. Quant only went down, and is already back above $60 again. That's something like I tell you guys, you've got to really look. If it was such a problem, the market was going to shit, why did Quant recover so quickly? You see, that is things you gotta look at. Jasmine, another one. They just announced Jasmine just announced it the other day. The government of Japan, the banking system, they are going to implement Jasmine. They said a very big niche on AI on this run. And what did Jasmine do? They just announced their integration to using AI with the Jasmine, Jasmine protocol, Jasmine coin, whatever you want to call it. And yet people are running. It kind of like this is really, really, really funny to me. Really funny to me. Again, look at your portfolios. Yesterday, when the price was going down, I saw my portfolio, my Bydfi. I saw it go down to 7,000. What I think was 7,200, 7,100. I will show it to you in a minute, and you tell me. And that's what I'm telling you guys. Like sometimes you need to stop. Not because everybody's running, then you have to take up running. Sometimes you need to stop, take a deep breath, and look around you. What the hell? What's going on? You need to do that. That's why I usually say always keep some money on the side. When things go like this, you scale up your trade. You scale up your trade. We are not far away. Everybody think it's gonna be another deep timber. That's what I call it, because the call September says gonna crypto's gonna, the markets are gonna tank, but there is not a deep timber, guys. The dip that people are waiting for already happened back August 5th. That's what happened back then. A lot of people are gonna get caught off guard, because again, you look again around you. We are going to have rate cuts. Interest rate is gonna drop. This money gonna get pumped into the market. Things are happening this month. Elections coming up, and you still think that the market is gonna drop. Does that make any sense? It doesn't make sense at all. That's why I sit on the sidelines. I try to accumulate, scale up my positions while sipping on my coffee. If I go 40% down, 50, 60% down on my positions, I don't care. Why? Because once it gets up from there, the upside potential is gonna be 5, 6, even 1,000% up. That's what that's what is waiting for me. All right, that's what is waiting. Now, guys, do not run just because everybody else is running. Like we always say in this my millionaire journey, when we see red, that's when we jump in. Okay, be like, well, Mr. Buffett said, be fearful when people are greedy, and be greedy when people are fearful. Now, people are fearful, guess what? I'm greedy. I'm eating. That's what's up. That's what's up. So I don't know about you. But anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market, the way it is in performing for the past 24 hours. As normal, again, it's always good for you to keep track of these prices, keep track of these movements, because not only it gives you experience, kind of knowing what's going on, it's also, excuse me, not only it gives you experience with the charts, it also helps you to track the price in real time. Like if you compare it from the past week, you can at least have an idea what's going on in the market. That's why I am able to keep calm, because I know it's a sideways movement. Quant is bouncing up between $72 and $60, $72 and $60. The same thing goes with Casper. Casper is just bouncing up from 17 or 17 cents all the way down to 15, 17, 15 until it breaks out. Same goes to Jasmine. We're in that falling wage. But anyways, let's go look at crypto bubbles right quick. Crypto bubbles right here. There we go. Let's go check first on King Casper. KAS. See, this is what I'm telling you guys about. For the past hour, we're down 0.4%, 0.2% down on the day, 4.6% down on the week, 19.7% up on the month, and 296% up on the year. Look at Quant, QNT. See that? 0.4% up on the hour, 2.7% up on the day. Look at those numbers, guys. 2.2% down the week, 19.9% down on the month. Up on the month. And you look at this, 36.8% down on the year. Look at those numbers again. Very funny. Look at the next one, Jasmine. Look at that, 0.7% down on the hour, 1.9% up on the day, 3.6% down on the week, 14.8% up on the month, and 399% up on the year. That's why I keep saying, look at those numbers. What do they tell you? To me, it screams like, okay, we are just going sideways, getting ready for a takeoff. That's what's happening right now. I don't panic. Now let's go look at trading view right quick, because I hate to tell you I told you so. I like to show you so that you can see. Let's look at trading view right here. Look at that. We are starting with King Casper on the 4-hourly. If I zoom out, see, like I told you guys, we're in a falling wedge. Simple as that. Look, touch the bottom of the wedge, now we're going up. But let me take you to the 1 hour. I think it's easier to explain when we're on that 1 hour chart. Let's go here. I will start it right back up. I need to get trading view. Let it load up for me. And up here, load up. There you go. This is Casper, and I'm going to the 1 hourly. There. See? Nothing has changed but the name on the mill. That's funny. Look at this. Yesterday, I told you guys, we were just coming down to play around the support of the wedge and then bounce back up. That's what I was expecting yesterday. And that's exactly what happened. Go look at my videos from yesterday. I like to keep my receipts. As you can see, Casper is doing exactly that. And again, I like to tell you, bring to your attention, look at the ribbon. Look at the ribbon and look at the moving average. Look at the moving average, look at the ribbon. So yeah, what I'm expecting Casper to do is try to go up and retest this 15.8, probably break it, or go to retest the top of the wedge. The top of the wedge, which is 15.9. Okay, now if we break this, turn it into support, the next, you guys already know that the target price for a falling wedge is usually the beginning of that wedge, which for this, for Casper, the beginning of the wedge is at 21 cents. So guys, everything is playing out the way it's supposed to. Do not panic. Look at it on the, let's go on the daily, right there, on the daily. See, falling wedge, there is not much to be afraid of. Price ping pong on the falling wedge, and look at this, they bought it right away. Price dumped all the way to 14 cents. Look at how fast they bought it right back up on the daily, and the day hasn't closed yet, so we're still going to see this red candle probably go right back up. And you already know this is a bullish candle. If the day closes like this, it's a very bullish candle. Now let's go look at quant right quick. I'm trying to hurry. QNT, we take it on Binance right here. See, this is exactly the way we was talking about yesterday, and I told you guys we are going to go touch the bottom, which is a kind of support. But anyways, let me take it on the 1 hour first. 1 hourly, right there, you can see it. I told you guys yesterday on the hourly, quant was forming some kind of W pattern, which was 1, 2, and as you can see, look, we touch 1, touch 2, broke above the moving ribbon. Now we are above it, came back, touched it, and we are going up. So let me zoom out this way a little bit here. See, this is exactly like I told you guys. Now I'm expecting quant to go try the moving average, the 21 moving average, all the way at $63, $64. That's what I'm expecting it to do. This is on the 1 hour. Again, you've got to pay attention to price action on bigger time frame, because I told you guys, look at how low quant came when they dumped it. They dumped it all the way to $58, $57, $58, and look at how quickly it got bought right back up. And you guys still think this thing is going lower. It's not going. They are manipulating your minds. Okay, let's look at it on the 4 hourly right quick. Let me take on the 4 hour. Right there. See, textbook manipulation. Look, 1, 2. Look at how quick it got bought. Again, right above it. Look at it. And look at the moving average. See, yesterday I told you guys it was going to try to curve. Again, it's doing the same thing again. So I'm expecting it to go to 65. And here we can kill two birds with one shot. Because at 65 we have this resistance, and we also have the moving 200 moving average coming right there. If quant can break above it and form a support above the moving average, we are in for a bigger surprise than I think. So what I'm doing right now, I am just watching the price of quant. Guys, again, this thing is not dropping. All you got to do is scale up your positions. If you look at it on the daily, look, like I showed you guys from the beginning, right now. Okay, if I extend, let me take this. I gotta extend this line right there. That's how it goes. Okay, now look. It's already touched the support. Now I'm expecting to start going up. First resistance at that 65. Second resistance for quant at $72. third resistance is right now combining with the moving average, which is around 85. And look at that, guys, this thing is gearing up. I don't know how many days I've been telling you this. And look at the price action. All we've been doing this up, down, up, down, up, down. That's the same thing has been happening for quant. You need to zoom out, because again, I won't get tired of showing you this. Guys, quant is just getting up for something bigger. Guys, look, all this you're looking at right now, all this price action is just reversing. See, lower high is just reversing. And you have to pay attention, because the ultimate target that we are forming right now with quant is this 128. That's what we need to worry about. Quant needs to come up, and that's what is happening right now. It's going to come up to try to break this. And we got, guys, in the next 2 months, you are in for a bigger surprise than you think. Okay, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Again, Jasmine, for me, I will say it again, I'm still a little bit bearish for Jasmine, just because my own personal opinion, I think Jasmine has to go above 2.3 cents. Once we get above 2.3 cents, I will feel a little bit more relaxed. But anyways, as you can see right now, Jasmine is in that falling wedge, still right there. And with the targets, see right here, this price, I need Jasmine to go above 2.3 cents. If it can do that, we will go to the top of this falling wedge, which is around 4.5 cents. That's what I'm looking at. But anyways, if you go, like, let's go on the 1 hourly, because yesterday I told you guys Jasmine is getting ready and it's kind of reversing, as you can see right now. Look at this, price dumped, Jasmine shoot. Look at these candles, guys. It shoot up, went above the moving average, went above the resistance, and now if you want to look at this structure by itself, it's a bull flag, which means very soon, unless price comes all the way down, which I doubt it, because as you can see the moving average is already turning green, this may serve as a continuation to go upwards towards that 2.3 cents that we're talking about. Now we might get lucky and this thing can break it. Until then, I don't have much to say about Jasmine until it breaks above the 2.3 cents. Okay, so for those of them running for the hills, I have nothing to tell you other than you are being manipulated, and you will find out very, very soon, because the market, guys, the market is getting ready to blowing up. It's not the right description. It's about to get in, because this bull run, we have not just retail money, we have institution coming in. You see people selling their stocks, putting money on the side. They're about to get into this crypto like crazy. That's what's about to happen. But anyways, here, this is my millionaire journey. I always tell you guys, you can either 5x, 10x, 20x your money, however you want to do it. Yet, I do not condone leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. But if you do, below I do have Bydfi and Phemex links. You can sign up. Once you sign up, you can follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. I really don't care. All I care is that you make money. And in 10 to 12 months from now, we will sit and you probably have your bottle of champagne. I will have me my Casper Maxi mug with my coffee. I'll be like, yeah, we did this somewhere in Dubai or somewhere. That's all I care about. That is all I care about, that you make money and I make money. Okay, but anyways, let's go look at my positions right quick so you can compare and see. As you guys are, like I said, let's go right on my Bydfi. Bydfi, signing up. Okay, you guys can see my position yesterday went down to like 7,100, and when I made that video, I think I was 8,200 or something like that, or 8,100. As you can see today, I am up 8,900. So yeah, it's been recovering. The whole market is like really green if you look at it. So yeah, it has started going the way it's supposed to. When you look at the contracts, look at my contracts. You remember? Yesterday my quant was like what, negative 20% or negative something like that. Today my quant is down negative 4%, which is around $350 thereabout. And Casper, my Casper is down 29%, which is $750. I don't really panic on these positions. Like I told you guys, this in 10 months we'll be talking about 6 figures on these positions. Okay, now if you look at it again, I will show you. I believe quant will go above $5,000. Right now I have my take profit at 6,500 right there. So when this happens, I'm looking at $1.6 million in profit. And guys, I'm looking forward for it. Even if it doesn't happen, let's just say I will evaluate the market like I do every day. Let's just see the market is topping out and quant is right there at let's say 2,500, for example. This position will still make me $600,000. That's a way good money. I need that kind of money to begin the next bear market. Like I told you, when I short, I will show you guys when I short. Anyways, the same thing goes with Casper. Look at my Casper. I have my take profit at $10. Like I always say, I believe Casper will go to $10 and beyond. But at $10, this position will make me $668,000. You see that? Even let's just say it doesn't make it and Casper goes to $5, it's still gonna make me $328,000. See what I mean? So yeah, like I say, I am very ready for it, man. Everybody running for the hill. I'm here calculating how much money we're gonna make from these positions. Anyways, now let's go look at my other positions at Phemex. Phemex right quick. See that? Yesterday, as you guys remembered, my positions were all the way down to like $9,000 or something like that. Today, I am up $11,000. So like again, it's just going sideways. Like going sideways. That's what is happening. It's getting ready. Looking at the contracts on my Jasmine, I am down 31%, which is 3,600. Again, that is not my problem, because like again, I said it, I think Jasmine needs to get above 2.3 cents. Let's just see, for example, 2.3 cents. By the time Jasmine gets to 2.3 cents, this position, here, 23 cents. That is almost my entry level. By the time we get to the top of the wage, which is around 45, this position will make me $18,000. See what I mean? So yeah, I don't really look at it that way. The next major resistance for Jasmine is the top of that bull flag, which is around 10 cents. Around 10 cents, this position will make me $63,000. Next resistance is around 12 cents. We got 12, position will make me around 80,000. Next position is 15 cents, which is around $104,000. The ultimate resistance is around 20 cents, okay? 20 cents, this is around, will make me around $146,000. But like I told you guys, I believe Jasmine is heading to 60 cents. So at 60 cents, this position will make me $477,000. Now, depending on how the market is doing, if it is over bullish, Jasmine might even go up to $1 or even $1.20. But let's say at $1, I'll be looking at $800,000, something like that. So yeah, again, I don't run just because everybody's running. You need to look around. Look around, check your surroundings, and you understand like this is just a trap. Everybody is expecting a deep timber, which that's what I call it. A deep timber. But I don't think market is going where everybody's expecting. Look at the fear and greed index. People are so afraid. I think the market is going to start going up way before the time everybody's waiting for it to go up. Okay, so guys, again, don't fall for it. Please don't fall for it. Scale up your positions, buy more on your spot. All right, that being said, guys, thank you for watching out my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, share, because the more you share, the more people see this, the faster the family grows. Okay, and also comment. I would like to see your comments, man. I like to I always try to reply to all your comments. Okay, that being said, guys, till I see you in the next one. Don't be like sheep. Don't just follow, man. Don't follow. You've got to really look around you. Please, please take care of yourselves. Okay, till I see you in my next one. Bye bye.